Hey, welcome to Page Family Homestead. We're foraging today for fiddleheads. And I'm looking for nice young ones like this here. See that there?
Let me see it in your hand, honey.
That's
It's
it.
curly tops.
Yep, curly tops.
And these are ferns. Everybody's got them. And in early spring, the curly tops are the choice. They're the fiddleheads.
Oh yeah. And they're good.
They're really good. We're
Yeah,
canning some, boiling some,
yeah.
sauteing some. You don't want the ones that are straight up. You just want the ones that are
Curled.
yeah. Now the native Indians used to depend on this for, it's an amazing source of iron, right? It'll turn the water almost red when you're boiling them.
Yeah.
Incredible source of iron. And we don't want to take them all.
Gonna go up here, honey.
Don't want to take them all.
Okay.
And one day it can mean the difference between here today, gone tomorrow. There's a patch right there.
Okay.
Just on the cusp. We should have been out here last week doing this.
Yep, that would have been good.
Yeah. Different area.
That's true.
Different area. Look at that beautiful trillium. Ontario's national flower. Aren't they stunning? Just beautiful. The forest floors are just covered in them in spots. Oh, that's a good patch.
Yeah.
Mosquitoes, eh?
Yep. Lots of mosquitoes.
We're going to take these back home. They're part of dinner tonight. We're going to do some more puddle jumping. Went on a trail ride and look what we got. Fiddleheads, guys. Rinsing them in cold water with a glug of vinegar to get off any little weevil evils that are on there. And I'm going to clean them up. And let's see what we do next. Foraging. We're making sweet fiddleheads. So we've got in here 4 cups of cider vinegar, 4 cups of sugar. I knocked it down to 3.5. That's enough. And 2 teaspoons of salt. We're going to bring this to a boil. And I've got my jars packed. I'm going to give it an 1 to 1/2 inch head space. And I'll bring you back. This is so wonderful. What a treat. So let's see these jars. Okay, I got them packed in pints. Figure that'll be a nice treat for the table. And I've got them up to the 1 inch head space just below. Aren't they beautiful? Aren't they beautiful? They had a nice long soak with vinegar water. Hot water bath canning. I love foraging. So we've got 6 pints and 1/2 pint. They're going to hot water bath at 15 minutes. This is incredible. I'm so happy to have this. 15-minute hot water bath, sitting in a nice sweet brine. Pickled fiddleheads. Sending one home with Kim and Matt. Sending one over to Indonica and Clint. These are nice. Look at them. What a great treat. What a fun day.
That was fun.
And we have enough here set aside. We're having a barbecue tonight. We're going to have this fried with garlic and butter. Oh, tomahawk steak. Grilled.
To perfection.
To perfection. Hello, Matt. Went on the ride with us today. That will accompany the fiddleheads we have going on in the frying pan. Boiled till tender for 7 minutes and pan seared with butter and garlic. Fiddleheads.